Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, let us continue with lesson number 8, Mapping Your Way. Today, also, we are going to cover maps and scales. Last time, we saw that Ashi and other children of her school went to India Gate to see Republic Day parade. This parade starts from Vijay Chowk. The route of this parade is Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg, and finally this parade ends at Red Fort. Now, trip to Red Fort. Children, this is the Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi. It is named as Red Fort because this fort is built with red stones. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned the construction of the Red Fort. This is Lahori Gate. It is the main entrance of the Red Fort. This is Meena Bazar. There are various shops on both the sides of Meena Bazar. This is the map of Red Fort. Children, is Red Fort only of this much size? No, it is much bigger in size. So, when we have to show a big area on a small paper, we have to reduce it by a fixed ratio everywhere so that the relative distances and positions of different buildings remain the same. Here in this map, scale is taken as 1 centimeter is 100 meters. So, suppose the distance between Rang Mahal and Diwan-e-Am in this map is 2 centimeters, means they both are 200 meters apart from each other in actual. Since 1 centimeter is 100 meter, so naturally 2 centimeter will be 200 meters. So the distance between Rang Mahal and Diwan-e-Am is 200 meters in actual. Now here in this map, the distance between Rang Mahal and Moti Mahal is 1 centimeter when we measure it with a scale. But in actual, they are 100 meters apart from each other. The scale shows 1 centimeter is 100 meters. So in actual, the distance between Rang Mahal and Moti Mahal is 100 meters. On the northeast side of the Red Fort, Yamuna river flows. This is Lahori Gate, the main entrance of the Red Fort. After entering through Lahori Gate, on the left side, there is a long corridor with shops on both the sides. This is called Meena Bazar. Then we go straight through Nakkar Khana and reach Diwan-e-Am. This is the place where the king used to meet the common people. Walking straight from Diwan-e-Am, we can reach Rang Mahal. There are three more buildings on the left side of Rang Mahal. They are Aramgah, Diwan-e-Khas and Hammam. On the right side of Rang Mahal, we can see Moti Mahal. In front of Hammam, we can see Moti Masjid. Now we will answer some questions based on this map of Red Fort. First one, which of this is nearer to river Yamuna? The Diwan-e-Am or the Diwan-e-Khas? Answer is Diwan-e-Khas is nearer to river Yamuna than Diwan-e-Am. Second one, between which two buildings is Aramgah? Answer, Aramgah is between Diwan-e-Khas and Rang Mahal. Third question, which buildings do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to Hammam? Answer is, while going from Rang Mahal to Hammam, we pass through Aramgah and Diwan-e-Khas. Fourth one, which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazar? Answer is, Hammam is farthest from Meena Bazar. About how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan-e-Khas? Answer, we can measure with the scale and verify. The distance of Lahori Gate from Diwan-e-Khas is about 6 centimeters on the map. Now, a scale is 1 centimeter is 100 meters. So, total distance of Lahori Gate from Diwan-e-Khas is 6 centimeters, that is 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600 meters. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Here, three pictures are drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid paper. A lamp, a leaf and a car. Now, you try making the same three pictures on half centimeter square grid. Means you have to make this picture smaller in size. See here, I have made it. A lamp, a leaf and a car. Now try to draw the same three pictures on 2 centimeter square grid. That is, make these three pictures bigger like this. Here the question is, the sides of the square was made 2 times bigger than the previous picture. Does its area also become 2 times bigger? Answer is, the area of square is side multiplied by side. When the sides are doubled, then new area of square will be 2 into side multiplied by 2 into side. Since each side is made 2 times bigger, so 2 into side is written equals to 2 twos are is 4, that is 4 into side into side. So when the side of the square is made 2 times bigger, then its area becomes 4 times bigger than the original area. So today we acquired knowledge about some mapping skills. In my next video, we will learn more mapping skills. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.